Welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting. And today we're going to do day 5 of the 12 days of crafting by Aldi. So we've got our kit here and we're just working it down. We're going to get all 12 down. And so let's go ahead, give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Have you done the Aldi kit before? And also subscribe. Make sure you subscribe so you know when the next video comes out. So let's go ahead and go take a look.
So it's day 5. So let's go ahead and get this open and see what we've got going on. So they're all going to be ornaments. So there are 12 days of ornaments basically. And this one appears to be some sort of little wreath. So again, they come in these nifty little packages. Everything's in there that you need. You don't need to add any glue or anything else, basically. Everything's right there, which makes it easy, quick, and nice. And again, these would be great crafts for kids to do. And I believe the whole kit was like, I don't remember if it was $12.99 or $14.99 or something like that. But they are quick and easy crafts that don't make a big mess, which is important if children are doing them or if anyone else is doing them for that matter. So I'm just kind of figuring out what's going on here. That little white card with the wreath picture on it is the instructions. So I'm just looking over that and making sure I know what I'm going to do. As always, I don't like the hanger, the blue hanger that they provide. So I'm just going to use this little scrap of ribbon that I have. I'm going to use that as the hanger instead of the blue ribbon that they provide. And what you're supposed to do is glue this one piece on top of that other piece. I'm not sure why, I don't understand, but that's what you're supposed to do. And it has a sticky back, so I'm just going to use that to hold my ribbon onto the wreath. So once I can figure out how to take the sticky paper off, I'm going to just lay my ribbon down on the back there. And then we can take off the rest of that paper. And then we're just going to stick that onto the wreath. Sorry about my big old head. But I had to see, I had to make it good. I had to make it perfect. And then from there, all you're doing is decorating. You just, there's a little middle piece you put in and then you put some little pom-poms in between. So you're just decorating. So that's what I'm going to do now is just decorate the So here I'm just putting these little glue dots on the back of these pom-poms because these pom-poms are what's going to stick onto the wreath form that we have there. And this is another one where if you had some little Dollar Tree stickers or whatever, pom-poms or whatever that they have, you could decorate it maybe a little differently or a little bit more fun or make more than one. You know, so it's giving you some ideas for future use perhaps. And then once we've got our pom-poms on, we're just going to put a little bow at the top of our wreath. And you probably want the bow to match your ribbon, probably. And that's pretty much it. Oh, they've got these little rhinestones too. And again, Dollar Tree has these, so you can put even more if you wanted. But they've got these little, I think they're like a pink color, a light pink. Oh, sorry about the focus there. Not sure what happened. And that's it. And it looks pretty close to how the picture looks, so I'm good with it. Look, it's pretty cute. Very easy, very quick, not a lot of thought, just some quick crafts to do. I thank you so much for stopping by Nattys Crafts today. I sure hope you could give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. Please remember to appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a great one.